Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing this simple model. Our model is symmetric, so we're going to start by modeling the front plane. So we're going to sketch the half portion of the model. So we're just going to input our dimensions, sketch the lines. Okay, so let's see what we have there. So we are going to put our dimensions. First, we are going to put a vertical line. Then we put on our horizontal line. Dimension is 83. Okay, let's put that in. Then let's sketch fillet. Input our dimension for the fillet. It is radius of 12. Then let's offset the entities. So we're all going to offset by the thickness of the plate. That's 6 mm. Then we are going to join the end of the sketch. So there you have it. Our sketch is fully defined. So we're going to exit, and then we extrude that boss there. We're going to use mid plane, and then we're going to put the thickness at plate. So there you go, we've done the first part. So the second part we're going to sketch on the right plane. So we're going to start with the center line from the origin, our vertical line, and then we're going to sketch our angular center line. We're going to put the angle as 14 degrees. So this angular line, we're going to be referencing our lines of the sketch. So okay, let's start with our lines. So I'm going to first sketch the lines, and I'm going to use 3-point arc from that point to that point there. So then I'll then adjust my relations, and then I'll set that line to be parallel, and then for that other line again I'll set to be perpendicular, and then that other line I'll set it to be parallel. So I'm going to set the dimension, and then going to set that one again to be parallel. Okay, so now I have to put the dimensions from the line to that center line. So it's going to be 14 from either side. Okay, so once we are done, I've defined that one with the dimensions. So once we are done, we want to use the offset entities again, and then we are going to offset by 6, because that's the thickness of the plate. And then we are going to extend that line, and then trim off the excess line, and then I'm going to join that piece there at the end with the sketch. Alright, so now we need to fully define our sketch. So we need to check which dimensions now we can put in order for us to fully define our sketch. So we're going to start with that midpoint of that line. So we need to put the dimension. Then we are going to put the vertical relation to be coincident to that axis. Now we need to define the position of those arcs, and then the position of that line on that sketch. Right, so now we need to define the arcs. So as you can see, in terms of the dimensions, they are defined. So I'm just going to put one more dimension, which is from the center of that arc and then to the base of the model. Okay, that's okay. So you can see now we've fully defined our sketch and everything is okay. So now let's see if we exit the sketch, then we extrude the boss from that sketch. Yeah, right now we sketched on the right plane, but the extrude needs to be mid plane on that other vertical portion. So I'm going to use the offset entities. It's going to be 160/2. That's the distance from the center plane to the mid portion, and I'm also going to use the mid plane and then exit. Now let's start our loft. So I'm going to select those surfaces there and then and check what we have come with. So now let's edit our relations on the constraints. So we're going to have the start constraint and the end constraint. So we are going to set normal to profile. So I just need to reverse the direction of that twist there. It needs to be the opposite. So it needs to move from front and then go into the right. So I'm just going to edit from that point, and then there you go. Now appears like this. Okay. So there you have it. Okay, but for now we need to edit our loft again, because we need to check the end constraint. We need to set again normal to profile so that we have that smooth bend there of the profile. Okay, now we are done with the half of the model. Now what we need to do is to mirror the body, because mirroring the body is the one that is faster than mirroring the individual features. Okay, now there you go. This is the complete model. Very simple for beginners to practice extrude and also loft features. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope I'm going to see you on my next video. Be sure to comment, like, and also to subscribe.